Devo's unique architecture and open data model lets you collect, analyze, and draw conclusions from data. You can use lookup tables to enrich this data by establishing complex relationships between any data in Devo. Let's see this in action. You can create lookups in Devo using CSV files, but here we will focus on using existing data in Devo, known as query lookups. With your data table open, go to Additional Tools and select New Query Lookup. In the New Query Lookup menu, we must decide whether we wish to create a static query lookup using data from specific periods of time or a dynamic lookup, real-time data. Here we will create a static query lookup. For this, we must first make sure to have specified a time range in the query. Give it a name and drag the columns to be part of your lookup. Here we wish to extract the bytes transferred for each country. We will make country the key column, as this column exists in both the source table and the destination table where we wish to insert the values. Static lookups include only the most recent occurrences of the key column values. Every time the country matches in the two tables, the destination table will be enriched with the latest bytes transferred value. Notice the time range lookup checkbox. Both static and dynamic lookups can be created as a time range lookup, matching the key column to results corresponding to the timestamp column of your query. For more information on this, see the video linked above. You can see all the lookups you have access to in the Data Search Lookup Management area, including the one we just created. Check the status column to see the status of the lookup. At the moment, the lookup is still creating. Once it is created and the status is set to available, it is ready to use. Click the expandable icon to see a summary of the lookup. The sharing column shows the sharing status of the lookups. To make them public, you need to share them first with at least one role. We have a separate video all about how to do this linked here. Users can now use this lookup to enrich the information in a different table. Notice this table does not include a bytes transferred column. Go to Operations, Create Column, and select the Custom or All operation type. Search the name of the lookup we have just created and shared. Select the bytes transferred column to search for. Now add the country argument, as this is the key column we chose to match with. Create the column and see the corresponding data appear in a new column in your table, thus enriching your data. As this lookup is a static lookup, for every country that matches, this column will return the most recent bytes transferred value. When the countries of an event do not coincide, the result will be null. The results will be different for a dynamic lookup. If you remember, dynamic lookups use real-time data instead of specific time periods. Notice here we have the same event with the same country, but a different unique value for the bytes transferred. This is because dynamic lookups update every 5 minutes with the most recent data. Thank you for watching this video. Visit us online to keep up to date with the latest content.